I've been exploring the Bright Debt Manager app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Bright mobile app. Bright Debt Manager is a financial app designed to help you get control over your debt and improve your credit score using AI-powered tools. Instead of struggling to juggle payments on your own, Bright analyzes your income, expenses, and debts to create a customized payoff plan tailored just for you. It's mainly aimed at those wanting a smarter, automated way to manage credit card debt and start saving. In terms of features, Bright offers automatic transfers from your checking account to pay down your credit cards regularly, which helps reduce interest over time. The app's AI-driven Bright plan adjusts payments based on your financial situation, so you don't have to micromanage every month. It also lets you build credit through a secured line of credit called Bright Builder, and even includes options to report rent payments to help boost your credit history. Plus, your funds are FDIC insured, adding an extra layer of safety. From my personal experience, I found the app's interface pretty clean and straightforward to use. Setting up took just a few minutes after linking my accounts. The AI plan felt personalized and actually recommended manageable payment amounts I felt comfortable with. I liked how payments are automated. Once set, I didn't have to worry about missing due dates. The secured line of credit is a nice bonus for building credit if you're starting out. That said, the subscription fee might be a downside for some, and I noticed a couple of glitches in the app's UI that could use polishing. On the downside, Bright is only available to US residents with checking accounts, so it's not for everyone. Some users might prefer more manual control instead of relying heavily on AI suggestions. Also, managing credit card debt with this app might not suit those with more complex financial situations or larger loans. And while customer reviews are mostly positive, the monthly fee and occasional app quirks are worth considering. All in all, Bright Debt Manager is a smart, mostly hands-off way to tackle credit card debt and build better financial habits. So if you want tailored guidance and automatic payments without too much hassle, it's worth a look. Just factor in the subscription cost and make sure it fits your financial needs. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.